So Radha and Krishna are completely infatuated with each other. So where do we fit in there? Well, Krishna is so kind, Radha is so kind. Even though they're completely absorbed in each other, they also want to invite us. They have a thought for us also. Even though Krishna never thinks about anything but Radha ever, he also thinks about us. And that's a contradiction. But he's Krishna, right? So he can contradict himself as much as he likes. He can do both things at once. In Vrindavan, Krishna's performing his pastimes. He forgets he's God, right? That's Vrindavan Leela. But every so often he does something like killing a demon, swallowing forest fires. It means he didn't forget he's God. So what is it? Does he remember he's God or he doesn't remember he's God? Well, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur tells us, you can't say it is and you can't say it isn't. It's both. It's impossible. Great. That's why we worship Krishna. If we could understand him, what would be the use of him being God? We got everything worked out. Yeah. Don't worry, everything under control, everything worked out. Yeah. Okay. You can maybe say that about the impersonal Brahman. Maybe even about Paramatma. Not even about Vaikuntanath. What to speak about Krishna. You can't understand everything.